Are you facing issues in performing exploratory data analysis in Python? Join BioCode's course called Exploratory Data Analysis in Python for Machine Learning in Bioinformatics. In this course, you'll learn exploratory data analysis, machine learning, health and cancer informatics, how is data preprocessing done, and how you can perform modeling and visualization in Python. This is how your screen will look like after starting this course. You can select any lesson that you want to learn and you can watch its video according to your own pace. Under the video, you can see 3 attachments. These attachments contain the file for dataset, the file for the code, and also the output which we will get in turn. And if you want to ask any question during the lesson, you will just go to the browse Q&A section, write your question here and click on submit my question. In case you need any help with course selection, email us through support@biocode.org.uk.